Last year, same day or this day, I bought ASUS Zenfone Lite L1 from Flipkart with some common knowledge. They are no development in terms of custom ROM, but there are pretty much users, maybe nearly 1 lakh of them bought this device. So here are my thoughts on ASUS Zenfone Lite L1 at Choose Good One. Hey there, this is Kali from Tech Fanciers, and we'll see about the Zen Lite 1 or just Lite L1. So I mostly don't review products as I don't like to do, or maybe I'm not the perfect one to bend the phones. Well, just kidding. Everyone or most of the one calling them as techies or geek is doing the same floor with the same spec sheet read like a hotel server. I don't want to be the one actually, but I definitely want to you guys to get my feelings or impressions on this. This is Lite L1, pretty under well budget phone like 5K in India. I really like the brand from 16-year-old guy. When I got my first computer in home, I addicted to the brand name ASUS, but that doesn't do anything with here in this situation. But hey, I might be little biased. It has decent or now or 2 years back the Snapdragon 430 octa-core chip and the 2 GB of RAM and 16 gigs of storage are the decent specs. It has that, but that's not the case here. The poor app management really ruins the things. When I say poor, it's poor. While comparing to the devices which has same or homogenical specs have some decent, well appreciable app management, but here it's worst. How it is worst is when you copy the text from the page and you paste it in the notepad and the earlier page will disappear. It ruins the payment process, daily workflows, tons, no end. But there is another good and cool point which it turns it. It has a good battery backup. In initial, it was giving like 430 to 530 hours of screen on time. Still now it's little fluctuated, but same after 1 year, even more than 300 bucks, which includes things like listening music, browsing, and streaming content from YouTube. It has 300 mAh battery, which performs well, but there is still something required to make it a superior one. I always like the slim and handy designs. It comes under that. It it's pretty much slim, not like a soap box. Looks simple and lightweight. You don't even feel when it's in your packet. That's something I like to mention. Audio quality, it's good, louder and clear. Also, the inbuilt audio wizard is damn great. I like this one when it comes to ASUS. So, great one. Camera, it's not decent, but also either it's not bad at all. Everything is working, everything is fine. What you are giving, you will get it in back. The Asus Zen camera is the good one, no doubt. Video recording is also fine. Even I record some of the my videos in this channel using this phone. With good lighting, it can take some wonderful shots. I usually use open camera for to record videos and Gcam for to take pictures. Yet, yes, it doesn't come with the camera to API enabled in out of the box. You need to unlock it, and yeah, you need to do. Tutorials are always there. There's a guy called Tech Fanciers doing this thing only for last 8 freaking months. So check him out. Well, we have front flash. Okay, we have it. It has a headphone jack. That's wonderful. Clean up with the hardware. Now we get into this kind of software. So usually ASUS try to equate both the hardware and software. Unlike someone just smile and say we don't sell guard, and they do sell the guard that you don't want to. Software wise, the Zenue is close to stock. It's clean. Just the status bar icon, it's kind of okay, fine. We'll move on. Currently this device is holding up with Oreo update, which is 8.0, not 8.1. They have directly moved to Pi. Now it's we have Pi beta, but still that's beta. Guess it will stuck there. Maybe we will get Pi official, but it's still like beta only, as Oreo itself still feeling like beta. There is a bug called multi-touch bug. We have created a name which only appears while playing the PUBG. I don't know, Asus want us to be protective, not to waste the time. Not fixed, still the Zenfone lack a lot of curves. I made a video of it. You can find them easily by clicking the I button which appears in the. So yeah, I moved to GSA part. It's wide and depth. We have builds from 8.0, 8.1, 9.0 and even 10. Now I'm currently using AOSP Extender 6.5. It is official GSA. It's running on this device which is Android 9.0. I feel this little stable while comparing to any other builds. Here too we have issues like low audio output, battery performance fluctuations sometimes, and app management issues and no sound on calls. Sometimes it will happen. So yeah, there is no stable. Also when it comes to Android 10 builds, we have no multi patch, but still you can use them, no restriction. You can try wide range of builds as the device is triple supporter. Well, the serious part, the conclusion. Can I buy this device? When the Android Pie will come? OLT for 10 when will come? Low internal space? Worst app management? Help me, bro. Well, no, nothing. I don't suggest to buy this device right now for 5,000, or even if it come 4,000 also, it's not suggestible. If you are normal user, only calls, internet and video playing, if you, it is for your dad or something, well, it's pretty good device, but still with extra some 500 or 1000 rupees you can get something much better options. We have obviously it has a guards, but don't care, just put the hold and install the custom ROM, you're ready to go. But well, no, the majority here, bro, I already have this phone, bro. What I can do, can I sell it? Will you buy it for me for 4,999? I bought it for 5,000. Well, it's always human wish, but what I would say or suggest from my viewpoint is phone industry or smartphone industry is an domino. It just stand one as a great, and in sometimes it says something as a great, then it falls. It changes, especially last 2 years things happening like a hit. So brainwashes with extra sweeteners, well, having a usage is different, but creating a usage is totally different. So don't spend on things as they don't required. Even if you are feel you win up to date, well, the date changes every 24 hours. So that's what. Hope this year started from this kind of video. So do you know the start date of the channel anniversary? Well, comment below. Whoever mentioned the correct date will get the good shout out in the channel updates. Yeah, channel update is coming soon. Hope you like them. Hope you like these changes. Quote motto.